So in today's video, I just want to go over how to make it so Roombas can go on a black carpet. Now, this comes with a caveat. If you block the sensors, and you're going to notice this isn't the prettiest thing, but if you block the sensors, these things will fall downstairs. The funny thing about this is, I fall downstairs, so I know which one it is. This one, this is a 500 series, probably a 530, something along those lines. They are a little more finicky with what material you can put on the sensors because they'll think that something's blocking them. So you have to make sure you use something shiny. In this case, I did tin foil, aluminum foil, whatever you want to call it. If you look back at an older model, such as this one, which is a 4150, or this guy, which for all intents and purposes, these two are generally the same. This is a 4225. This one was refurbished back in the day. So these two, all you need to do is cover these holes. And the Roomba will go over anything, but it will fall downstairs. So you either need, if you have stairs in your house, you need one of the blockers, which I don't have one handy. They're little ultraviolet light, like a remote control. You just put it in front of the stairs and it will block them from going past that. It makes like a virtual barrier. So these ones, you literally just cover these holes with something, piece of paper with tape over it, hold it in place. And these ones will be happy to do whatever. They'll go over any dark surfaces with no issue then. The 500 series, like I said, they're a little more finicky. If you just put a piece of paper over it, it won't work. You have to do something shiny. So this one, tin foil, this one has always been our guinea pig one. That's why it's gross. Tape stuck to it. That goes onto our dark carpet and cleans it. So if you ever need to do that, there's your tip. Take a little piece of tin foil, put it over the sensor, cover it with tape. Make sure if you are charging these through the original stand, you keep these pads clear of tape. This one I tend to just plug in through the charging port. So that's that. So that's your tip to keep one of these Roombas going through onto a dark carpet so it doesn't get stuck and think it's not able to move, and then it'll error out or give you an error that it thinks it's stuck on a dark carpet. So that's that. We'll see you in the next one.